Hello guys, so today we are going to be creating a tree bark like effect on fondant. I'm just going to carve out lines in my fondant. It must not be perfect. The lines mustn't be straight. You can carve out straight lines, wavy lines. You can carve it from top to bottom or from bottom to top. Why I love this design is it doesn't have to look perfect. That's the beauty of this design. I wanted to create a tree bark like effect. I didn't want it to look exactly like a tree bark, but I wanted it to have the feel of a tree bark. I wanted it to look at it and say, oh, it looks like a tree bark, but it doesn't look like a tree bark. So that was what I was going for in this design. Important thing to note. Well, before you do this, make sure your fondant is still soft. So as soon as you cover your cake, you start carving. I'm just mixing some color here, some dry color with edible spirits, so that I can paint on my cake. Honestly, at some point while I was creating this cake, I almost gave up. Before I painted it, while I was carving out the lines, I thought, this thing, it doesn't look good. It doesn't look. But my brother told me, you just continue. By the time you paint it, it will make sense. And when I painted it, I was happy I didn't give up. It looked really good. After painting, I went back and I made deeper lines, deeper markings. I wanted deeper markings. You can do this as many times as you want. There are no hard and fast rules. You can do this as many times as you want until you achieve what you're looking for. And here is the finished cake in all its beauty and glory. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial because I enjoyed making this for you. If you haven't liked or subscribed to my channel, please like and subscribe and leave me comments, your questions below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye.